Assalamualaikum dear friends. This is Mohammad Zishan. Welcome back to my channel Mohammad Zishan Durani. जी हाँ, क्या आपको पता है शाह वलीउल्लाह कौन थे? शाह वलीउल्लाह एक ऐसी शख्सियत थे जिन्होंने मुस्लिम कम्युनिटी पे बहुत असरात पैदा किए। उसका पॉलिटिकल बैकग्राउंड, उस पे जो चैलेंजेस आए थे शाह वलीउल्लाह पे चैलेंजेस, और उस चैलेंजेस के तौर पे उसके एफर्ट्स क्या थे। जी हाँ, इस वीडियो में हम शाह वलीउल्लाह को डीपली समझने वाले हैं। लेट्स गो थ्रू आवर टॉपिक। The work of Shah Waliullah 1703-1762. Shah Waliullah was born on 21st February 1703. शाह वलीउल्लाह की पैदाइश 21 फरवरी 1703 को हुई ड्यूरिंग द रेन ऑफ मुगल एम्परर औरंगजेब आलमगीर। उस वक्त का मुगल एम्परर औरंगजेब आलमगीर था। His real name was Qutbuddin, but he later became known as Shah Waliullah because of his piety. इनका असल नाम कुतुबुद्दीन था, लेकिन बाद में इनको शाह वलीउल्लाह के नाम से जानते हैं। His father was Shah Abdul Rahim, who had founded the Madrasa Rahimiyya in Delhi. इनके वालिद साहब का नाम शाह अब्दुल रहीम था, जिन्होंने मदरसा रहीमिया की बुनियाद रखी थी इन दिल्ली में इन्होंने मदरसा रहीमिया की बुनियाद रखी थी। When his father died in 1718, शाह वलीउल्लाह began teaching at the मदरसा। जब इनके वालिद साहब की डेथ हो गई थी तो शाह वलीउल्लाह ने अपनी तालीमात मदरसा रहीमिया में जारी रखी थी। In 1724, Shah Waliullah went to Arabia to perform Hajj and to further his studies. He studied under most famous scholar Sheikh Abu Tahir ibn Ibrahim before returning to Delhi in 1732. Beliefs. जी हाँ, what were the beliefs of Shah Waliullah? Shah Waliullah, during his time in Arabia, Shah Waliullah thought deeply about the problems faced by the Muslims in the Mughal Empire. The empire was in decline and Muslims were reunited and vulnerable to attack on their religion. Shah Waliullah realized that reform could not come from the weak leadership in Delhi, that it had come from within the Muslim community itself. He believed that most of the problems of the Muslims had resulted from their incomplete knowledge of the Holy Quran and Islam in general, and it was necessary that Quranic teaching became more accessible for the people. It was in economics, social and politics, behavior should be based on the Islamic principles. Shah Waliullah wanted the Muslim to concentrate more on the fundamental principles of Islam, believing that it would create a more united community. As the essential, follow the moral, spiritual principles of Islam in order to create a good society. The even Islamic principles were not as elected in any area of the society, whether politics or economics और जस्ट डे बाय डे द लाइफ ऑफ द इंडिविजुअल मुस्लिम। जी हाँ, ये था शाह वलीउल्लाह का बिलीफ। अभी शाह वलीउल्लाह का वर्क, शाह वलीउल्लाह work hard to ensure that he was a role of model for other people. His deep understanding in Quran, Hadith, Fiqh and Tasawwuf made him a highly knowledgeable scholar at an early age, since he believed that emphasis on the Quranic teaching was vital to Muslims. So, he translated the Quran into Persian. A few Muslims spoke Arabia, so that the Quran had not been widely studied previously. Now, it can understood by a large number of Muslims. The ulama criticized Shah Waliullah and his work proved to be correct, a very popular. Later, his two sons, Sheikh Abdul Qadir and Sheikh Rafi, इनके दो बेटे शेख अब्दुल कदीर और शेख रफ़ी, who had translated the Quran into Urdu, which means that many more people could study it. इसका ये मतलब है कि ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोग इसको स्टडी कर सकते हैं। In addition, by translating the Quran, Shah Waliullah wrote 51 books in Persian Arabic. Among the most famous were Hijjatul Baligha and Izalut Aqfa. Shah Waliullah ने 51 books लिखी थी, जिसमें से हिज्जतुल बालिगा और इजालत अक़फ़ा बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट रोल प्ले करती है इसकी किताबों में। His writing brought him a great fame and prestige and enabled him to have influence in other areas too. For example, in economics, he emphasized the need for the social justice in peasants, craftsmen, that they truly be valued because their contribution to the economic. This was the most important contribution of Shah Waliullah to the Muslim community was his organization opposition to the Marathas who were threatening overrun the Mughal Empire from the south. Shah Waliullah realized that the Muslims had to unite to deal with this threat and that the Sikhs who were attacking from the not Shah Waliullah wrote to all nobles by calling them शाह लीला रोड मीन उसने बहुत से नेबर्स को कॉल किया और टू सेव द मुगल एम्पायर ज्वाइन टुगेदर एंड सेव द मुगल एम्पायर. It was partly his influence to pursue the Ahmad Shah Abdali of Persia who intervened and helped join the forces with the ज्वाइन द फोर्स में उसने फोर्सेस को ज्वाइन किया था किसे विद द लोकल मुस्लिम leader who had defeated the Marathas at the Third Battle of Panipat in 1761. Despite the encouragement of Shah Waliullah, the Muslim leader did not unite to take advantage for the defeat of Marathas. जी हाँ, जब शाह वलीउल्लाह ने अहमद शाह अब्दाली को 1761 में बुलाया तो उसी साल उसने अहमद शाह अब्दाली ने मराठास को डिफीट किया था. थर्ड बैटल ऑफ पानीपत 1761. Yes, this was the work of Shah Waliullah. Now I will tell you about the importance of Shah Waliullah. Shah Waliullah's contribution to the Islamic revival was extremely important for a number of reasons. He was one of the first Muslim thinkers to state that the decline of the Mughal Empire and vulnerable position of Muslims were due to the neglect position of the Islam. Now, he believed that if the decline of the position of the Muslim was stopped, there will be spiritual and moral regeneration might take place. He explained how this regeneration might take place. इसने ये भी शो किया था कि ये regeneration कैसे होता है. And however, the Madrasa Rahimiyya continued to play a vital role in teaching the Islamic revival and research thought about the Islamic revival. The second and third point. His writing in Persia made Islamic teaching available for a large number of Muslims who were not able to understand the Arabic. He believed that Muslims could only prosper if they followed the proper Islamic custom. Muslim उस वक्त prosper कर सकते जब वो Islamic custom को properly follow करते हैं. He provided the inspiration for the Muslim to lead a pure life in among the belief of the anti-social attitude that encouraged the displeasure of the God. And he also showed that Muslim revival could only take place if there was the acceptance. The sectarian division was stopped. The Muslims had to concentrate more on the basic principles of Islam and not allow to by difference between them to lead to conflict. He tried to build bridges between the different Muslim sects to unite the community. He tried to do this by organization opposition to the Marathas, to unite the community by emphasizing the importance of jihad against the common enemy. Thanks for watching. जी हाँ, आज हमने इस वीडियो में शाह वलीउल्लाह को बहुत डीपली समझा और आगे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मैं आपको सैयद अहमद शहीद ब्रेवली के बारे में बताने जा रहा हूँ और उसकी आपको डीपली अंडरस्टैंडिंग दूंगा. प्लीज लाइक, सब्सक्राइब एंड कमेंट ऑन माय वीडियो.